Bliss at Home Waxing Kit, Microwavable No Strip Wax, Paraben Cruelty-free, 5.3 fluid ounces. At Home Waxing Kit for everyone. Made without parabens, phthalate, SLS and other harmful chemicals. Our spa strength formula creates an easy, strip-free hair removal experience head to toe. Safe, easy-to-use formula is low-temp non-strip in a colorful blue shade for precise application. Wax shrink-wraps hair follicles to remove even the most stubborn hairs straight from the root. Soothing chamomile oil for even the most sensitive of skin, leaving skin soft without irritation. We are a B Corp Certified clean, cruelty-free, planet-friendly skincare brand on a mission to empower everyone to achieve a higher state of happy, one self-care moment at a time. Top reviews from the United States. Making being a woman a little easier. This product is pretty, I know that's not why we want it, but it is an added benefit. I was amazed at the first time I used this that it did not hurt as much as other products I have used. As a woman, I thought that getting rid of hair was always a daunting task. Now it is quick and easy.